Hi everyone, Chad Shaves here for the Razor Company, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to clean your shaving brush, so stay tuned. And welcome back. Right, cleaning your shaving brush. Now, a lot of us just leave our shaving brush and think, oh, you know, we're going to leave it. But if you've got an expensive brush out there and you want to try and keep the hairs and stuff like that, it's best to clean it. I'm going to show you my brush today, and it's a chisel and hound with a Vancouver's badger knot in there. I've not cleaned this for a couple of months. I normally clean my brushes once a month, and what it is build-up happens, especially in badger brushes. But you know, it happens in synthetics as well. You have a bit of a build up from the soap, and what happens is over time it starts to eat away in the glue what holds the knot in, and you don't really want that, do you? So you can have a brush cleaner from Zingariman. Here it is. This is what I use. It's available at the Razor Company, and this has got no like horrible chemicals what will destroy your brush, you know what I mean? So this is what it's designed for, and it's not just designed for like your badger brush. This is designed for any brushes, so your synthetics, your ball brush, all them kind of brushes, and also makeup brushes. So it's quite easy to use. It comes in like a container, like a soap container, so you get quite a bit in there. It's just got a nice scent to it, really. And all you do, literally, is you're going to dip your bristles of your brush, get it nice and wet. And then literally, get some more water out of there, and literally get a bit of a lather onto them bristles. I'm going to show you how to do this. Yeah, get a nice bit of lather to your brushes, to your brush. One brush, pour some of that water out, and just keep lathering it and getting a good lather into that brush. You know, pour some more water out. There's quite a bit of water in this brush. I've had it soaking a little bit because it's obviously a badger knot. And yeah, I think that's enough. Got enough in there. So what you do now is get a shaving bowl, just like this, with something with texture. The reason being is because it's going to draw the dirt out that brush. You know, it's going to draw out that soap scum. I wouldn't recommend doing it to your hand. It might cause you irritation. So I'd be safe and just use a bowl. So you literally just go straight in there, going round and round, and just doing it other ways, you know, opposite way. So clockwise, is that the right word? And then anti-clockwise. Just keep doing that. Just keep doing this. You don't have to get a lather like you're going to shave. You know what I mean? You're just doing it so you're getting enough all into the bristles. You know, giving it a good scrub as well. And once you've done this, all you've got to do is rinse it out. And if you feel like your brush needs more, just keep doing it. Rinse it out, go back to the puck, or you can go back to this and just keep going and going and going until you feel like it's clean enough. For me, because I only do it I do it once, maybe, I don't know, maybe once a month I do it, or you know, once every 2 months, something, depends how many times I use the brush. That's how I do it, but you can do whatever you want to do. Yeah, so you've done it now. You've got all nicely cleaned. So what you do now, you rinse this out now. Normally you turn the tap on, but I ain't going to do it for this video. I've got some water already in the sink. So I'm just going to literally put it to the sink now. I'm just rinsing it. Not rinsing it, I'm just so like you're having a bath basically. And the colour of the water's starting to go a bit grey. So that just shows you there was something in this brush. Now I'm just literally rinsing this underneath. Now come on, just get that out. Give it a couple of flicks. Have a look. Looks quite nice. And the smell, it smells nice and fruity. No, it smells really nice. It smells clean actually. But if you want to, like I said, go back to it and just start lathering again. That's all you can keep doing. It's really good actually, this cleaner as well. If you've got like a badger brush, what smells like a wet dog, because a lot of people say they get a brand new badger brush and it smells like a wet dog. So this will take all that kind of smell, you know, especially like, and then another thing really, why it's good stuff, is if you've got like a brush and you're not too sure where it's been, I know you could give it a rinse, you know, like the factory kind, you don't know where it's been around the factory. It'd be good just to give this a quick clean, your brush, you know what I mean, give it a quick rinse, then you know everything, whatever's in there has been cleaned and it's not going to hurt you or anything like that. not saying it's going to, but you never know, do you? So there you go. Again, put that down. I don't want to wreck your ears. You might have a headset on. And then just give that a rinse in the sink again. Making sure you're getting all that soap out. Or that cleaner, sorry, not the soap. Getting all that cleaner out. I keep saying soap because it's in a tub. What am I like? And just, yeah, just get all that water out. Make sure. Just have a look all inside there. Make sure there's no, you know, no soap or soap. No cleaner. I keep saying soap. And it hasn't. It's got no soap. So what you do once you've done that, give it good flicks. So when I flick a brush, I hold the bottom of it. I never do that because you're going to loosen your knot, aren't you? So just hold it like so. Give it a good flick. Get a towel and just literally lightly, don't whack it in, lightly, round. Doing that until it's like, it's dry enough to just hang up then. There you go, that'll do, I think. I don't need to do too much because this is the wetness is going to be in here. So what to do now is you get yourself a brush stand. You don't have to do that. You can actually tie it up and hang it off maybe your handle. And just let that drip now. Drip dry basically. And I'll leave that for about 24, 48 hours until I feel like it's dry. And when it's dry, this will be nice and soft. And that is it. So yeah, if you haven't seen it before, it's Zingariman Man Brush Cleaner. Available at the Razor Company. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like what you saw, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.